and to demean you, and they were not meant for granting or giving you justice. It is absolutely unfortunate that all rules, regulation, and act which were created with this intent just after the first war of independence, they were thrust on us. And even after 75 years of so-called independence, our leaders are very happy to have same kind of exploitative rules and exploitative acts. I would like to here really stress one point. If you recall, on the 15th August 2022, from the Red Fort, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi took 5 pledges, and the second pledge was freedom from गुलामी के हर अंश से मुक्ति. I feel these colonial rules, colonial system, which has been thrust on us, they are the biggest जो है reminiscent of the gulami, and it is unfortunate that our leaders do not consider that. Now I request, to please put that document. So I will take those 21 objectives, and those objectives should be the objective of each one of us.
I will read out each one of them, and then you can comment on them. So the first is the 21 objectives of crime-free Bharat mission. So first is there will be a radical change in the rules and regulations made for the slaves of the British, which you have already explained to us that we are still under those rules and regulations, so almost under an oppressive system. We think we are independent, but we are still being ruled by the legislation and the rules of the British. Second point is the British imperial cruel and exploitative system will be made transparent and accountable with provision of compensation.